Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy S25. If you're using Samsung Galaxy S25 and now you want to make a hard reset of your phone, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connecting to any PC or any other Samsung device with a cable, so it will not make any issue. So you just have to connect, and then you can easily do that on your lock screen or home screen on which you want. For this you just have to press and hold the volume button, power button and the volume down button until your screen goes black, and then shift your volume down to volume up. So let's see how. First of all, just press volume down and the power button at the same time. So just do this, press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold until your screen goes fully black. You just have to wait for it and it will take a while. After that, just shift your volume down to volume up to open your phone BIOS. Just wait for the logo and then release the buttons, and after that you'll enter your phone's BIOS just like this. Here your touch won't work, you just have to use these buttons to up and down or select. So let's see how. Here you just have to select this option, which is wipe data or factory reset. So let's see how can you select this. Just use volume down button to go down and volume up to go up. Just select this option, which is wipe data or factory reset. Here just select it and then select the power button to select the option, and here just select factory data reset, then press your power button, and here you just have to select the first option, which is reboot system. Now just select the first option and here select or press your power button, just press it. In this way you can easily make a hard reset of your phone, but you have to make sure that you have a backup of your data because it will delete everything from your phone. It may be videos, photos, your accounts, apps and everything. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have the backup of your data, and after that, after the hard reset of your device, you can get a fresh new startup of your phone. So that's how you can easily make a hard restart of your Samsung Galaxy S25. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.